This is possibly one of the oldest microwaves still in daily use. It's the Panasonic NE-694, and the most impressive thing about it, well, it isn't its bright colours nor sharp design, it's the fact that it's been used almost every day for the last 38 years. I'll say that again just because I can. 38 years. To give some perspective, that's older than my cat, and if my cat does reach the ripe old age of 38 years, I'll be sure to make a video about him too, so make sure you subscribe below so you don't miss that one. However, as much as I would like to talk about my cat, let's put him aside for the moment and get back to the microwave. The truth is, I wasn't planning on making a video like this. In fact, it never crossed my mind until my dad mentioned how old it is that I realised how old it is. My parents have even kept the original manual that came with the microwave. Year of manufacture, 1983, and they bought it in 1984. This old microwave has been a central appliance in the family kitchen since this time, and through the years has seen use from myself, my siblings, parents and various other family members. It has also moved house with us several times, including abroad. And aside from a couple of bulb changes and a new Megatron, it's a transformer, isn't it? Magnetron, that needed changing on the last day of its 3-year warranty, it's still working. Much like the microwaves of today, on the front there's a clock and keypad. The keypad controls the microcontroller, which in turn controls various other things including the Megatron, magnetron, turntable and light. This old microwave has been absolutely brilliant and contains many of the functions you might find on modern day microwaves. There's a digital display together with indication lights so you can see what's currently selected. There's a timing pad with a 10-minute, 1-minute, 10-second and 1-second timer buttons. That's a lot of timers. There's a delay button so you can set up cooking at a later time. And you can set up 3 stages of cooking that run in succession. There are defrost buttons and the ability to adjust the weight of a product being cooked or defrosted. And perhaps more importantly, it has an auto sensor, allowing you to select what type of food you want to cook or defrost. And of course there's a stop or cancel button, allowing you to stop whatever is happening at the press of the button. To put it simply, it's incredibly easy to use, where Panasonic have also added a panel at the back so you can access the bulb to replace it. However, like all things in space and time, it's starting to age, where in the last few months the display has almost completely faded, although with some gentle tapping around the edge, you can see it again. Using some clever maths and science, we estimate this microwave has been used over 100,000 times, which is evidence to say it's bloody good. And if it's possible to love a kitchen appliance, then love this kitchen appliance we do. In fact, it's because this microwave has been so good that I went ahead and purchased a Panasonic microwave for myself. And in one of my earliest video reviews, a link for which I've added in the description below, I said Panasonic are one of the leading brands when it comes to microwaves. And this old appliance is evidence of what I mean. And aside from being more powerful and having a few more functions, my newer microwave operates in much the same way as the older one. So reviews aside, if anyone does know how to repair the display on this old microwave, please get in contact. So there we are, the Panasonic NE-694. What a microwave. To see more video reviews, check out my channel, and please make sure you subscribe below. It would be megatronically appreciated. Thank you.